Okay, now that we have created our second page and put the title of our app at the top, this page is called our table of contents because this is where the people will go, where the users will choose where to go in your app. So we call it the table of contents. So what we're going to need to do is insert some icons and some images to represent each section that we want, and then we're going to have to label each one. So we're going to start out, let's say that I am creating a an app for the different cat clubs that meet here after school. So I'm gonna just choose maybe 4 of them for now, even though there's a lot more. So I'm just gonna start by going up to Insert, Image, and I can again upload from a computer, search the web. There's all kinds of things I can do. Okay. Now I did want to point out real quick at this point some really neat websites. They are at the bottom of the slide on your slideshow as well, but there's one called photosforclass.com, unsplash.com, and thenounproject.com. All of them are pretty cool, like photosforclass.com. They are photos that you are allowed to use. And so let's say I'm looking for one for chess club. I click find photos. There's a whole bunch of different ones that you can find. Okay. Also, I went to the nounproject.com and I liked that one as well. It's free photos that you're allowed to use. I liked this one because they were very much like icons to use in an app. Okay, so if I went chess, okay, and if I really liked one that I saw here, let's say I like this one, I can just right click on it and say copy image, come into here, back into my slideshow, and Command V, and there it is. Okay, so I'm going to choose 4 real quick. Okay, I know we have a chess club. I know we have a board game club. So let's we find for board games. This one's kind of cool. People playing a board game. I don't know. There's a lot of them have to do with dice. There's tic-tac-toe. There's a bunch, huh? Let's go with this guy. Looks kind of like Chutes and Ladders or something. I don't know. Okay. Oops, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have selected it. What I wanted to do is just right click on it and say copy project, right? Okay. Hold on just a second. Okay, sorry. Let's go back up here. Board game. Tell you what, I'm just going to choose this one here. Right click, copy image, come back here, paste, Command V. Okay, I'm going to put it right there. Okay, I also know we have a video game club. So I'm going to look for a video game. This is pretty cool controller, maybe. Although my other ones are white backgrounds, so I'll stick to a white background. Let's go with this controller. Copy image, paste. Okay. And then one more club I guess that I can think of would be the animation club. This one might be a little harder, but let's see. We might could do something like, I typed in animation. Let's say this guy. This is kind of like an animated guy. Ah, there I went, clicked on it again. Remember, we need to right click on it and just say copy image, okay? Animation. We're going to get this little animated running guy. Copy image, go back here, paste. So now I have my 4 icons that I want, right? Now I need to label each of them, okay? So now I'm going to do text boxes. Insert text box, and underneath each one I'm just going to draw my box, and I'll type in chess, make it a little bigger, probably maybe like 48. That sounds good. Chess, and I'm going to do the same thing for the rest of them. Text box, draw one here, call it board games, make it a little bigger. It might have to be a little smaller than the other one, but we'll see. 36, just like that one. Okay, that'll work. We can make the box a little bigger like this, but anyway, board games. This is going to be video games, so insert text box, draw one under here, call it video games, and again, make them bigger. I say stick with 36 for all of them so they're the same. And then finally insert a text box under this guy here, and we said this was animation. Make it 36 just like the rest of them. Alright, now I do notice this guy is kind of smaller than the rest of them, So I may grab him and just make him a little bigger like that. Bring my animation box down here, okay? But now you have your table of contents like your main page that they're going to go to go somewhere. Good job.